Strategy to start growing wealth with blue chip stocks. Growing wealth with blue chip stocks is a common strategy due to their stability, reliable dividends, and long-term growth potential. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Understand blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are shares of well-established companies with a history of reliable performance, strong financials, and often a market-leading position. They tend to be less volatile and offer steady returns. 2. Research and select blue chip stocks. Identify blue chip companies by looking at the following characteristics: large market capitalization. Generally, companies with a market cap of $10 billion or more. Strong financial health. Consistent revenue and profit growth, strong balance sheets, and manageable debt levels. Industry leadership, dominance in their industry or sector. Dividend payments, history of paying dividends consistently, often with dividend growth. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversify across different sectors to reduce risk. Holding blue chips from various industries, for example, technology, healthcare, consumer goods, finance, can protect your portfolio against sector-specific downturns. 4. Start small and regularly invest. Invest consistently over time rather than trying to time the market. Dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, can reduce the impact of market volatility. 5. Reinvest dividends. Reinvesting dividends can significantly increase your returns over time due to the power of compounding. 6. Monitor and review. Regularly review your investments to ensure they still align with your financial goals. Stay informed about the companies. Top blue chip stocks to consider. Technology. Apple Inc., AAPL, known for its innovation and strong brand. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, a leader in software, cloud computing, and hardware. Healthcare, Johnson & Johnson J&J, a diversified healthcare giant with pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer products. Pfizer Inc., PFE, a leading pharmaceutical company known for its vaccine and therapeutic products. Consumer goods, Procter & Gamble Co. PG, a global leader in consumer goods with a diverse product portfolio. Coca-Cola Company Co., a dominant player in the beverage industry with a vast global reach. Finance, Morgan Chase & Co., JPM, one of the largest and most stable financial institutions. Visa Inc., V, a leader in the payments technology sector. Industrials, Caterpillar Inc., CAT, a key player in construction and mining equipment. Conclusion: investing in blue chip stocks can be a solid strategy for building wealth over time. By choosing well-established companies with strong financial health and consistent performance, diversifying your portfolio, and reinvesting dividends, you can create a stable foundation for long-term growth. Remember to stay informed and adjust your portfolio as needed to meet your financial goals. A blue chip index is an index that tracks the shares of well-known and financially stable publicly traded companies known as blue chips. Blue chip stocks provide investors with consistent returns, making them desirable investments, and are considered a gauge of the relative strength of an industry or economy. A blue chip index is a bellwether, meaning news reports and analysts tend to emphasize the performance of the major ones, such as the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA, each day. ChatGPT, a blue chip index, tracks the shares of well-known, financially stable publicly traded companies known as blue chips. These stocks are desirable investments due to their consistent returns and serve as a gauge of industry or economic strength. As a bellwether, the performance of major blue-chip indices like the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA is often emphasized in news reports and by analysts. Researching blue-chip stocks involves several steps to ensure you make informed investment decisions. Here's a structured approach. 1. Understand what blue-chip stocks are. Definition: blue chip stocks are shares of well-established companies with a history of reliable performance, stable earnings, and strong financial health. Examples: companies like Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. 2. Identify blue chip companies. Indices: look at major indices like the Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA or the S&P 500, which often include blue chip stocks. Industry leaders: focus on companies that are leaders in their respective industries. 3. Analyze financial health, financial statements, review income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Key metrics: revenue and earnings growth, consistent growth over several years, profit margins, healthy and stable profit margins, debt levels, low debt-to-equity ratio, return on equity ROE. High ROE indicates efficient management. 4. Evaluate dividends, dividend yield. Check the dividend yield, but ensure it's sustainable. Dividend history: look for companies with a history of increasing dividends. 5. Assess market position and competitive advantage. Moat: consider the company's competitive advantage or moat, for example, brand strength, patents. Market share: companies with significant market share in their industry. 6. Review analyst reports and ratings. Research reports: access reports from reputable financial institutions, for example, Morningstar, Bloomberg. Analyst ratings: check consensus ratings, buy, hold, sell. 7. Monitor news and trends. News: stay updated with news about the company and its industry. Economic indicators: understand broader economic trends that could impact the company. 8. Consider valuation. Price-to-earnings P/E ratio: compare the P/E ratio to the industry average and historical P/E. Price-to-book P/B ratio: useful for comparing stock prices to the book value of a company. 9. Diversify. Portfolio diversification: ensure your investment in blue-chip stocks is part of a diversified portfolio. 10. Use tools and resources, financial websites, Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, Seeking Alpha, etc. Stock screeners: use stock screeners to filter for blue-chip characteristics. By following these steps, you can thoroughly research blue-chip stocks and make well-informed investment decisions.
Like and subscribe.